should be ashamed, McSquizzy. This isn't who we are, and it isn't the way we treat our guests.
Vultures would pick the eyes out your heads, then come back for the lashes!
You can. And what makes you think I'd even want to eat any of you? So do what you want to me, because I just don't care anymore.
Oh, you poor, poor thing. Don't mind that knucklehead, McSquizzy. You can stay as long as you like.
Come on, fellas! We'll take no part in this folly!
I was trying to show you I could change.
Norm has no one else. He just wants to belong. Huh? I hope you're all happy now.
You see? Go out there now, I could take 3, maybe 4 of them.
And what would that achieve? There's just too many of them, Boo. Humans!
McSquizzy?
Idea. We'd all be goners if it weren't for him. Norm! 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 Norm!
Oh, I just love happy endings.
Norm!